In this video, I will show you how to watch Netflix on PS5. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to drop that down in the comment section down below the video, and with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently on the PS5 dashboard. Now, what you're going to want to do first is actually press up on your controller. So you just want to go ahead and press up. And then what you want to do is press right and then press X to come across to media. So as you can see, I've actually already got Netflix installed. However, if you don't have it installed, what you're going to want to do is come to where it says TV and video. Then if you press down, and generally you're going to find the Netflix app here. If you can't see it here for any reason, come up to the search box at the top, and what you can do is just type Netflix into the search box here. And then go ahead and press R2 on your controller, and here is the Netflix app. So all you want to do is press X, and then it's going to ask you to install it if it's not installed. If it is installed, then it's going to say start, so you just want to press X to start up Netflix. And here we are. As you can see, the Netflix app is now loading up. So all you need to do is come down and press onto the sign in button just down here. And what you want to do at this point is use your phone or tablet's camera, and you want to use the QR code on screen. Or alternatively, you can just go to the web address on screen. And when you do that, you just need to go ahead and confirm the code. And what that's going to do is link your account. So it will automatically log you in, and you'll be able to go ahead and watch Netflix. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.